You don't even worry about the police. All right.
Run for the police.
You just run. You're going to be on YouTube, is that all right? Huh?
That's bad. Wow, you're full.
You got man, it's pretty early to be having a spiff and a red stripe. I'm telling you, I like you guys.
Wait, there's Spliff?
Spiff. I need to be coming down here with you guys, drinking red stripe and having a spiff for breakfast. This is what I call the breakfast of champions, you know. All right, man, I gotta go check out that house that burned down the other day. Down there. Yeah. All right, later. You can see me real good now, can't you? I'm in the video. See me? Yeah. Yeah. So I can do that too. Oh, I missed the little puppy. I don't know where the little puppy went. There was a little puppy here a minute ago I wanted to see. Just going out on my morning walk here. I understand the house burned down at the other end of town the other day. I'm gonna walk down there and check it out. Good morning.
Yes,
You're gonna be on YouTube now. I forgot my mask for my walk. Am I going to go to jail?
You should turn back.
Okay. Okay. If I see a police, I'm going like this. That's what you guys do, isn't it? If you see a police, you just leave it. You don't even worry about the police. All right.
Run for the police.
You just run. You're going to be on YouTube, is that all right? Huh?
That's bad. Wow, you're full.
You got man, it's pretty early to be having a spiff and a red stripe. I'm telling you, I like you guys.
Wait, there's Spliff?
Spiff.
Wait, there's Spliff?
Spiff.
Wait, there's Spliff?
Spiff.
Wait, there's Spliff?
Spiff. I need to be coming down here with you guys, drinking red stripe and having a spiff for breakfast. This is what I call the breakfast of champions, you know. All right, man, I gotta go check out that house that burned down the other day. Down there. Yeah. All right, later. Good morning. Got people working already this morning.
Live, is it?
Yeah, no, it's not live, but you're gonna be on YouTube now.
Oh, me?
Yeah,
He's a YouTuber.
you're gonna be a star.
My name is Zendan.
Huh?
I'm artist for YouTube.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Everybody's gonna be a star on YouTube.
All right.
I got to do this more often. Get out and about. This is really nice. My wife forgot her mask too, so I'm not the only one. She said nobody was upon the road, but there are not too many people upon the road. It's not like I'm not social distanced by a long shot, you know. So you don't have to have a mask unless you're, you know, up close to people, you know. Morning, morning, Pooch. Morning. Oh, see the ducks? Got some ducks over here too. It's about to rain on me. Let's try widescreen, see how that goes a little bit. Yeah, that might be okay. We'll try that. You can see me real good now, can't you? Hey, you're about to be on YouTube. All right, all right. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Red Button Journal. Yeah.
Yes, man.
Yeah, I'll put it on there.
St Thomas.
Yeah, yeah. Big up. What are you gonna have? What are you gonna have in here? Food?
Yeah, food. Cook food.
Same as down there, but now you got your own place. That's sweet. That's sweet. What's you got a name for it?
Oh, for what?
For your place?
Fry as usual.
Just fry?
Yeah. All inclusive, you don't know.
You got to get one of those painters, put a nice name on your building.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah. Later, man. Later. Good morning.
Good morning.
My wife went on her walk before I got woke up. So I got to go look at that house that burned down. Good morning. Yeah, I got to. Huh? Yeah, I got to go look at the house that burned down. The house that burned down, I got to go see it. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, so I'm going to video it.
Okay.
Yeah. So you'll be on YouTube now. Yeah.
Okay, Tom.
Okay, later. Hear the birds. I hope you guys can hear the birds tweeting. So pretty. Well, I guess I haven't got to the house that burned down yet. I thought I already would be to it. But we'll see here in a minute. Starting to get a long shadow. The sun's coming out. A long, tall shadow. Nice little rain. Just a sprinkle. Just a sprinkle. Not enough to turn off the camera or anything. Hopefully I don't get a raindrop on the lens.
Will your mind follow your body? Oh, yeah. When you try to be someone else. Oh yeah. Will your soul ever be ready?
Okay, here we are all zoomed in. Oh boy. Just, you know, a week ago that was a house. Somebody lived there. A woman and her son. I don't know where they moved to. That's sad. Good morning. How's it going?
Not too bad.
Good.
Yeah.
That was my walk. I sweated a little bit here towards the end. It's kind of starting to warm up for the day. Okay, be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe.